plastic as well, where you stow away?
Exercise Tiger's Challenge is a week-long resilience course that the Australian Army is doing in order to build camaraderie and also bring their unit together. This entire week I was expecting, we're doing bilateral training with the Australians. This is a good chance to work with them, which it was. But what I noticed throughout the week is that this is really about bringing your platoon together. So I've noticed more of an internal focus and through it, my platoon is strong.
Good, step down, feet wide apart.
Working with the Australians is always really fun. You get to conjoin their experiences together, but also you learn a lot about them, what they bring to the table, what we bring to the table, and you constantly improve each other's skills.
First thing I'll talk about is mission analysis. So
this week was both fun and challenging. We brought a lot of hard work into it, a lot of hiking, a lot of work on speed, but being out there with the platoon, with my squad, it really brought us close together, so it's a good experience overall.